AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about Australian dollar against Canadian, AUD against USD, right? Too many pairs to deal with. So AUDUSD, and you can use this analysis for NZDUSD as well. I don't record separate videos for NZDUSD. So AUDUSD and NZDUSD same. Use this video for NZDUSD if you want to trade, okay? Before all that, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you'll find some links. Join the free Telegram channel. Go and join if you want some signals every now and then. Check out the prophets and the brokers, because if you want to trade with my signals, it's a good idea to trade with a separate account with separate money, okay? Or else you can start a demo account first, okay? Sign up with these brokers as per your country and then just go ahead and start demo accounts and then start going live in demo account, okay? For now, subscribe, like, do all that. Everything is free. Coming back to the chart, starting with the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, we are up, taking a pullback right now. So let's get back to daily. Daily, we are up. This candle, this last blue candle has broken the previous high. So we are, I think, still in the uptrend, taking a pullback right now. So this red candle of today, I think it's only a pullback thing. So when shall we enter long? Let's check out that in 4 hour. In 4 hour, what do we have? We had this uptrend I told you in the last video. Then I told you we're going to take a pullback. So it's a very clean setup as of now. All we have to do is wait for a blue candle to eat this red candle, okay? So as soon the next blue candle eats this red candle, enter long, take your profits right here. That's your free trade, okay? So what do we have? We have second possibility that if this continues to go down and if you want to go sell, then you have to wait for this low to break, okay? If this low is broken by any coming red candles, then wait for the pullback, then confirmation red candle, then enter sell. I don't think that's going to happen. I think more likely this red candle will be eaten by the coming blue candles, and that's where you will enter long, okay? So you know two possibilities now, when to enter short, when to enter buy. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, share the video, and check out these links, and join Telegram, do all of that. Sign up with the brokers, subscribe, like. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.